What's the oldest golf cart you've ever seen? 10 years old? Maybe 15? How about 30? Believe it or not, there are golf carts built in the 1990s and even the 1980s that are still being driven every single day. But here's the interesting part. Not every brand can do that. Some golf carts look amazing on the showroom floor. Huge touchscreens, luxury seats, LED lighting, massive wheels. But after 5 years, owners begin fighting electrical issues. Replacement parts become difficult to find. Dealers disappear, and resale value falls off a cliff. Meanwhile, another owner buys a much simpler cart, drives it for 20 years, replaces only batteries and tires, then sells it for thousands more than expected. So today we're answering one of the biggest questions every buyer asks. Which golf cart brand actually lasts the longest? Not the fastest, not the fanciest, not the cheapest. The one most likely to still be running 20 years from now. We've ranked 5 brands based on real-world durability, engineering, maintenance costs, resale value, parts availability, owner experiences, and one factor that almost nobody talks about, but may be the single biggest reason some carts outlive others. Before we go into the video, take a moment to ensure that you are subscribed and have notifications enabled, so you don't miss new videos and updates. Coming in at number 5 is Star EV. Star EV doesn't always get the attention of the bigger brands, but it's quietly built a solid reputation over the years, especially among commercial operators. If you've visited a university campus, industrial facility, airport, or large resort, chances are you've seen one without even realizing it. That's important because commercial fleets are incredibly demanding. These carts aren't driven once a week. They're often running all day, every day, carrying passengers, equipment, and supplies across large properties. If a fleet manager keeps buying the same brand, it's usually because the carts hold up under constant use. Star EV earns points for sturdy construction, dependable electrical systems, and comfortable ride quality. Many owners report years of reliable service with routine maintenance, and replacement parts are generally available through authorized dealers. But there's one reason Star EV lands at number 5 instead of higher. Longevity isn't just about surviving 10 years. It's about proving yourself over 20 or even 30 years. Compared to the industry's oldest manufacturers, Star EV simply doesn't have as many decades of proven ownership history. There are fewer 25-year-old Star EV carts still roaming neighborhoods than there are club cars, Yamahas, or EZGOs. If you're buying one today, you can expect a dependable cart. But if your goal is owning something that could become a family heirloom, there are stronger contenders ahead. At number 4, we have Evolution EV. Few brands have shaken up the golf cart industry as quickly as Evolution. Walk into a dealership today and it's easy to see why people are drawn to them. Large digital displays, premium seats, integrated sound systems, LED lighting, independent suspension, factory-installed lithium batteries. For the money, Evolution packs in an impressive amount of equipment that many traditional brands charge extra for. Driving one feels more like a small neighborhood electric vehicle than a basic golf cart. But here's the challenge. Luxury and longevity aren't always the same thing. Evolution hasn't been around long enough to prove that today's carts will still be running 20 years from now. That's not necessarily a criticism. Every legendary manufacturer had to start somewhere. It's simply impossible to judge decades of durability when the oldest models haven't existed for decades. There's also the question of electronics. Modern displays, Bluetooth systems, cameras, and digital dashboards are wonderful when they work. But as every car owner knows, the more electronics you add, the more potential failure points you create over time. That's why Evolution sits comfortably in 4th place. It's one of the most exciting brands on the market today, but it still has to earn the reputation that older manufacturers built over generations. Now we arrive at number 3, and this is where the conversation changes completely. We have EZGO. EZGO has been building golf carts for decades, and one of its biggest strengths isn't just reliability, it's support. Imagine buying a golf cart today and still being able to find almost every replacement part 20 years from now. That's exactly why so many mechanics recommend EZGO. Whether it's a TXT, an RXV, or one of the newer Freedom models, chances are someone manufactures the replacement part you need. You can find almost everything without searching for months. That massive aftermarket support keeps older carts alive long after lesser-known brands have disappeared. Mechanically, EZGO carts are also refreshingly simple. They're designed to be serviced rather than replaced. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and many repairs can be handled by owners with basic mechanical skills. However, EZGO isn't perfect. Unlike Club Car, most EZGO models use steel frames. Steel is strong, very strong. But steel has one enemy: rust. If you live near the ocean, in areas with heavy rain, or somewhere roads are regularly salted during winter, corrosion becomes something you'll need to monitor carefully. A neglected steel frame can eventually become unsafe, regardless of how healthy the batteries or motor are. Fortunately, regular cleaning and rust prevention go a long way. With proper care, many EZGO carts easily exceed 15 or 20 years of service, which is why they remain one of the safest long-term purchases available. That brings us to number 2, Yamaha. If reliability had a personality, it would probably wear a Yamaha badge. For decades, Yamaha has built some of the smoothest, quietest, and most dependable golf carts in the world, and nowhere is that reputation stronger than with their gasoline models. Talk to golf course superintendents or longtime mechanics, and you'll hear the same story again and again. Yamaha engines just keep running. Routine oil changes, fresh filters, and basic maintenance are often enough to keep these engines operating for thousands of hours. But Yamaha's durability goes beyond the engine. The steering feels tight, the suspension ages gracefully. The drivetrains rarely develop the rattles and vibrations that plague poorly engineered carts. There's a reason golf courses trusted Yamaha for years. Commercial use exposes weaknesses quickly, and Yamaha consistently proved it could handle daily abuse. Even their electric models enjoy an excellent reputation thanks to reliable controllers, quality wiring, and careful engineering. Another advantage is resale value. Buy a well-maintained Yamaha today, and chances are you'll recover a significant portion of your investment years later because buyers know exactly what they're getting. So, if Yamaha is this good, why isn't it number 1? Because one brand has a unique engineering advantage that no amount of maintenance can replicate. And that brand is Club Car. For many enthusiasts, Club Car is the gold standard of golf cart longevity. The secret is simple: the frame. While many competitors use painted steel, Club Car became famous for using aircraft-grade aluminum frames. Why does that matter? Because aluminum doesn't rust. The biggest long-term killer of older golf carts is structural corrosion. Once a steel frame rusts badly enough, repairing it often costs more than the cart is worth. Club Car largely eliminates that problem. That's why you'll still find decades-old Club Car DS models working at golf courses, retirement communities, resorts, and beachfront neighborhoods where salt air destroys ordinary steel. Owners routinely replace batteries every several years, install a new set of tires once in a while, maybe swap a controller or solenoid if needed, and simply keep driving. That durability translates directly into resale value. Even 15 or 20-year-old club cars often command surprisingly high prices because buyers know they're purchasing a platform with years of life still ahead. Now I want to hear from you. How old is your golf cart? Has it been completely trouble-free, or has it spent more time in the repair shop than on the course? Share your experience in the comments because those real-world stories help everyone looking to buy their next cart. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest golf cart reviews, comparisons, buying guides, and long-term ownership advice, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.